Hi, this is Joey's and Sanjayo's 256 CST-256 login and registration milestone 1. So yeah, we'll get right into it here. So first off, I'll go through. Let's run the application first, and then we'll go into the details of what's going on in the back end. So close this guy. Open up a new incognito mode. Make sure it's all fresh. Public login. So here's the page that you'll be introduced when you first run the program. What we're looking at here is just the login page, and from here we can go to our registration page here, and I will go ahead and make a new account for the purpose of this video. First off, I just want to show that we have implemented a data validation where if the fields are not entered, it will let you know these are required fields before moving on. It doesn't show all the ones that are empty. It just shows the one that you're currently working on, that one is a requirement. So we'll go ahead and make an account here. State, California. We'll make username, let's do test, and password, same thing, test, make it simple. All right, so here you go. So once you click submit, if it's gone through, you'll be notified here your registration was successful. So we'll go ahead and log in with the new account we just made. Same thing here. If you try to submit the login with these empty parameters, it'll let you know that these are both required. So test. Yeah, I do need to change this where the password is hidden. So test was the one we just created. We can go ahead and click submit. So for the first milestone, there was no requirements further past the home page. So this is an echo statement we created to let you know that you've successfully logged in. If we go over here to our database page, just to show this that it has in fact been updated. So the other one we just made test. So you can see it is now in our database. Go ahead and close this guy out. Yeah, we're done here. So we'll go here into our code. So first of all, we have all our views in our, we're using the MVC and .NET framework. So we have our views, our models, and our controllers. So right now we have our views. This is the resources views folder. We have our login page here, just a normal HTML login page where then we have our registration page. A little bit more here because we have more text fields that we need to fill in when registering, and then we have this registered if successfully registered welcome plate, just a default file there. So if we want to go into our apps, HTTP, and this is where all our controllers are held. All I have is a login controller here, and then our registration controller as well here. This is where this is where we're communicating with our database, where this is the registration controller. All our inserts are here, so variables are created here, and then we connect the database to this insert. And actually I thought this was kind of neat. This is how we make the connection with the database, actually, is in this .env folder. We have to go into this folder, and we have to put our database name here. So I thought that was kind of neat. This is where we connect to the database, and then the actual code that we're coding, it's just the SQL statements. So and then also we have our web.php class here that does all our routing for us through our URI. And yeah, so that's basically milestone 1. Thanks for watching.